In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed a YouTube video into a Canva presentation. So this can be done very easily. So here's what you need to do. So once you're on canva.com and you've logged into your account, you can go ahead and go to create a design. Then you want to go ahead and open up a presentation. Perhaps you've already got a presentation. I'm just going to use this one as an example. Apply all 20 pages. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and add a YouTube video to one of these pages. So I'm going to duplicate the first page and we're going to add the video here. So I'm going to delete any unnecessary text box. Okay, so now we've cleared out this text box. Now we can go ahead and embed our video. So to embed it, you want to go to apps, then just type in here embed. Once you've done that, it should be the first one, embed. Click on that and you can then click YouTube. Now once you've clicked on YouTube, this window will open and here is an embedded video. And all we need to do now is edit this URL. So go ahead and click on edit link, and then this link you can go ahead and change out. So find your video that you want to embed. I'll just embed this one, copy the URL to that video, and then replace the Canva video with the video that you've just copied. Then click done, and then that will embed your video. Now when you go ahead and present this, you'll have the option to play your video. So here's the presentation, and we can now play this video if necessary. So that's how to do it. I hope that did help you out.